I don't know about you, but me and Nev got a good cheer.
Oh, I got no cheer.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, they're intimidated by my muscles.
Nidalee bot.
Can he finish up Banda? It's Townsend gets the kill, but Frogger will be hunted down. Wicked down in as well. Sullivan down towards Towns, gets that one. Wicked's gonna go down as well. This is surely the game for Frogger.
No, anything but Yorick. I really don't want to play against it. Oh my god. Like,
Okay, it's his mid.
there's one thing I don't want to play against.
Can they actually get the kill? It's a lot of damage. Here comes the rest of the team. Nick's gonna go down as well. And this is a problem for Gambit once again.
So low and limited fancies it, and he may well get it. Oh, the Sonic Waves! Belly slammed away there. The ultimate comes out from Connex. He's going to take a lot of golden airwax this time around. Curves is running for his life, and he may well be able to get away. He goes back aggressive onto Unlimited, takes him down! Oh, he's diving in. That's going to be Mega Inferno Bomb, and Rated will go down. Soaz on towards him. Cyanide gets locked up and takes down. In comes Reckless, cleaning house. Gets one, gets two. Soaz gets himself a third. Freddy goes down to Peke.